Hello everyone, I am Moazzam Ali. Welcome to Institute of Career Services. I am glad to announce that we are going to start a video series on the objective parts of political science. In this series, I will try to cover all the portions of political science, including Western political thought, Muslim political thought, key concepts of political science, comparative constitutions of the world, and so on. In this first video, I will be discussing all the philosophers of Western political thought, including Plato, Aristotle, Machiavelli, Montesquieu, Hobbes, Locke, Rousseau, and so on and so forth. So let's start.
CSS Political Science MCQs presented by Moazzam Ali through the platform of Institute of Career Services. First of all, Plato. When Plato was born on 428 BC. Where Plato was born? Plato was born in Athens, Greece. When Plato died in 347 BC. Plato was died at what age? Plato died at 80 years of age. Plato was a student of whom? Plato was a student of Socrates. Who wrote the book Republic? Plato wrote the book Republic. Who was the author of the book The Laws? Plato was the author of the book The Laws. Who was the author of the book Statesman? Plato was the author of the book Statesman. Who was an idealist philosopher? Plato was an idealist philosopher. According to Plato, the population of an ideal state should be 5040. Who said that education is the process of development of mind and body of man so that he or she eagerly pursue the ideal perfection of citizens. It was a statement of Plato. Plato divided the society in how many classes? Plato divided the society in classes. Number two, Aristotle. When Aristotle was born, Aristotle was born in 384 BC. When born, Aristotle was born in Greece. When Aristotle died at the age of 62, Aristotle was died in 335 BC. Who was known as the first teacher? Aristotle is known as the first teacher. What was the name of Aristotle Academy? The name of the Aristotle's Academy was Lyceum. When Aristotle founded Lyceum in 335 BC. Who was the teacher of Alexander the Great? Aristotle was the teacher of Alexander the Great. Who was known as father of Western philosophy? Aristotle was known as father of Western philosophy. Man by nature is a social and political animal, is a cornerstone of philosophy of which philosopher? It was an idea presented by Aristotle, who propounded the principle of distributive justice. It was an idea given by Aristotle. Justice is giving everyone his due is said by Aristotle. Justice as treating equals equally and unequals unequally said by Aristotle, the end of politics is not knowledge but action, is a statement given by Aristotle. Organic conception of state is associated with Aristotle. Number three, Machiavelli. When Machiavelli was born in 1469. Where Machiavelli was born? Machiavelli was born in Florence, Italy. When Machiavelli was died at the age of 58. Machiavelli was died in 1527. Who was the author of the book The Prince? The Prince was written by Machiavelli. Renaissance was an era of famous political philosopher Machiavelli. Machiavelli is considered as the father of modern political science. Besides the book The Prince, Machiavelli has written another book which is known as Treatise on the Art of War. Separation of ethics and politics was the principal notion in the philosophy of which political scientist. Separation of ethics and politics is an idea presented by Machiavelli. Number four, Montesquieu. When Montesquieu was born, Montesquieu was born in 1689. Where Montesquieu was born? Montesquieu was born in France. Montesquieu died in 1755 at what age? 66 years. Who gave the theory of separation of power? Montesquieu gave the theory of separation of power. Who wrote The Spirit of Law in 1748? Montesquieu wrote The Spirit of Law. Who is considered as the founding father of Constitution of United States of America? Montesquieu was considered as the founding father of the Constitution of United States of America. Which political philosopher is associated with Enlightenment? Montesquieu is associated with Enlightenment. Number 5. Thomas Hobbes. Thomas Hobbes, where when Thomas Hobbes was born, Thomas Hobbes was born in 1588. Where Thomas Hobbes was born, Thomas Hobbes was born in England. When Thomas Hobbes was died, Thomas Hobbes was died in 1679. What was the age of Thomas Hobbes when he died in 1679? His age was 91 years. Who was the founder of social contract tradition? Thomas Hobbes was the founder of social contract tradition. Who wrote Leviathan? Thomas Hobbes wrote Leviathan. When Leviathan was published in 1651. Who suggested that monarchy is the most suitable form of government? Thomas Hobbes presented this idea. Hobbesian social contract is based on what principle? Hobbesian social contract principle is based on desire for peace. Number 6, John Locke. Number 6, John Locke. When John Locke was born, Locke was born in 1632. Where Locke was born? Locke was born in England. When John Locke was died at the age of 72 in England, John Locke was died in 1704. Who wrote Fundamental Constitutions of Carolina? John Locke. A letter concerning toleration is written by John Locke. Who wrote two treatises of government? John Locke wrote two treatises of government. Who was known as father of classical liberalism? John Locke was known as father of classical liberalism. Who was against absolute monarchy? John Locke was against absolute monarchy. Which one of the following political thinker was the first exponent of the liberal theory of state? John Locke. Who wrote an essay concerning human understanding? John Locke. The concept of legal sovereignty was for the first time given by John Locke. Property is a natural right of man was founded by John Locke. The term tabula rasa is the most clearly associated with John Locke. The Enlightenment theory of property has been founded by John Locke. Number 7, Rousseau. When Rousseau was born in 1712. Where Rousseau was born? Rousseau was born in Geneva. When Rousseau was died at the age of 66 in France, Rousseau died in 1778. Who wrote Confession in 1769? Rousseau wrote Confession. Who was the member of Jacobean Club? Rousseau was a member of Jacobean Club. Who used the expression forced to be free in connection with the notion of liberty of individual? Rousseau. Who is called the intellectual father of French Revolution? Rousseau is called the intellectual father of French Revolution. Rousseau political philosophy furnished basis for popular sovereignty. General will was introduced by Rousseau. A thinking man is depraved animal. This view of man was propounded by Rousseau. Number 8, Immanuel Kant. When Immanuel Kant was born, Immanuel Kant was born in 1724. Where Immanuel Kant was born? Immanuel Kant was born in Prussia. Critique of Pure Reason was written by Immanuel Kant. Who wrote Groundwork of Metaphysics of Morals? Immanuel Kant wrote Groundwork of Metaphysics of Morals. Who wrote Critique of Practical Reason? Immanuel Kant wrote Critique of Practical Reason. Who wrote Critique of Judgment? Immanuel Kant. Perpetual Peace is written by Immanuel Kant. Immanuel Kant lectured on anthropology for a period of 25 years. John Stuart Mill. When John Stuart Mill was born in London. John Stuart Mill was born in London on 1806. When John Stuart Mill was died in France at the age of 66, 1873. Which political philosopher was a member of British Parliament? John Stuart Mill was also a member of British Parliament. John Stuart Mill belonged to which political party? Liberal political party. Who was proponent of utilitarianism? John Stuart Mill. J.S. Mill's most famous book, On Liberty, published in 1859. Who recommended complete freedom of speech and censorship? John Stuart Mill. J.S. Mill favored qualification as a basis for the right to vote. Number 10, Jeremy Bentham. When Jeremy Bentham was born, Jeremy Bentham was born in 1748. Where Jeremy Bentham was born? Jeremy Bentham was born in England. When Jeremy Bentham was died, Jeremy Bentham was died in 1832. Greatest happiness principle is associated with Jeremy Bentham. Bentham claims that nature has placed mankind under two sovereign masters, pain and pleasure. Philosophic calculus was the contribution of Jeremy Bentham, who was the father of English utilitarianism, Jeremy Bentham. Greatest happiness of the greatest number was the idea of Jeremy Bentham. Number 11, Karl Marx. When Karl Marx was born in Prussia, Karl Marx was born in Prussia on 1818. When Karl Marx was died at the age of 64 in London, Karl Marx was died on 1883. Where the tomb of Karl Marx is located, Highgate Cemetery in London. Which political scientist was a stateless by nationality after 1845? Karl Marx. Surplus value theory is associated with Karl Marx. Communist Manifesto wrote by Karl Marx. Das Kapital wrote by Karl Marx. Materialistic interpretation of history was propounded by Karl Marx, who quoted imperialism is the highest stage of capitalism, Karl Marx. The idea of dialectic materialism is associated with which political philosopher? Karl Marx. Number 12, Lenin. Lenin was the chairman of which council? Chairman of the Council of People's Commissioner of Soviet Union. When Lenin was born in Russia, Lenin was born in Russia in 1870. How long Lenin served as head of government of Soviet Russia from 1917 to 1924? The Development of Capitalism in Russia was written by Lenin. Number 13, Mao Zedong, who propagated the idea of cultural revolution under socialism. Mao Zedong. The Long March begins the ascent of power of Mao Zedong. Mao Zedong ruled was an autocratic style, the chairman of Communist Party of China from its establishment in 1949 until his death in 1976. Who is the founding father of People's Republic of China? Mao Zedong. 1st October 1949, Mao Zedong proclaimed the foundation of People's Republic of China. Number 14, Antonio Gramsci. Where Antonio Gramsci was born in 1891. Antonio Gramsci was born in Italy. Which political philosopher is associated with structuralism to the study of Marxist socialism? Antonio Gramsci. Gramsci is best known for his theory of cultural hegemony. Number 15, Péribourdi. Péribourdi belongs to which country? France. Péribourdi associated with which theory? Conflict theory. Structural functionalism theory is associated with Péribourdi. Symbolic interactionism theory is associated with Péribourdi. Péribourdieu refers to structural conservatism. Bourdieu, best known as Distinction, a social critique of judgment of taste. Number 16, Karl Popper. Where Karl Popper was born in 1902, Austria. Who said that 20th century totalitarianism resembles an onion-like structure? Karl Popper. Karl Popper is known for his defense for liberal democracy. Number 17, Francis Fukuyama. Where Francis Fukuyama was born in 1952. Francis Fukuyama was born in Chicago, USA. Francis Fukuyama got his PhD degree from which university? From Harvard University. From Francis Fukuyama is known for which book? Francis Fukuyama is known for the book The End of History and the Last Man. When The End of History and the Last Man was published, The End of History and the Last Man was published in 1992. Social Virtues and Creation of Prosperity is written by Francis Fukuyama. Francis Fukuyama is an important figure in the rise of new conservatism. Francis Fukuyama has most recent book named Political Order and Political Decay from the Industrial Revolution to the Globalization of Democracy. Number 18, Michel Foucault. Where Michel Foucault was born in 1926, Michel Foucault was born in France. Biopower is associated with Michel Foucault. Discourse analysis is a notable idea which is associated with Michel Foucault. Which of these aspects of the organization is most associated with the work of Michel Foucault? Surveillance. Knowledge power relationship theory is associated with Michel Foucault. Who wrote Discipline and Punishment? Michel Foucault wrote Discipline and Punishment. Who wrote The History of Sexuality? Michel Foucault wrote The History of Sexuality. Number 19, Jacques Derrida. Where Derrida was born in 1930, Derrida was born in French Algeria, who is best known as the post-structuralist and postmodern philosopher. Derrida is known as post-structural philosopher. Father of deconstruction theory, Jacques Derrida is known as the father of deconstruction theory. Speech and Phenomenon is written by Jacques Derrida.